Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about the classes of the rocks. Yesterday we started in talking about the natural processes that change the rocks and form the different types of rocks on the earth. Actually, there are three main classes of rocks that are very famous, and I thought most of you remember them from the last years. These classes of rocks are sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So from the beginning, igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Okay, let's start in the igneous rocks, or as we started here from it's okay. The igneous rocks are formed when magma or lava cool. When magma or lava cool, then hardens. From the last lesson, I remind you what are magma and lava. Magma is the molten rocks under the ground, deep under the ground. But if the volcano erupts and the magma comes out, it will be called lava. Okay, so both magma or lava, when they cool down and harden, they become igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks form when sediments from older rocks or minerals that form from solutions get pressed and cemented together. We will explain that from the main concept that the small sediments that are formed by weathering, then erosion, then they deposit somewhere. These sediments will make layers over the years. These layers from the water that comes with the rain, the water will dissolve with it, salts and minerals. So it will make like the cement. It can, when the water that has these solutions that will pass on the layers of the sediments, it will make like glue. Over the years, these layers that were cemented by the solutions will become rocks, sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic rocks, they are formed from the heat and the pressure. Also deep under the ground where the temperature is very, very high, and also the pressure is very, very high, the layers of the rocks will be pressed and squeezed too much. This will change the properties of the rocks and will change them to be metamorphic rocks. Let's talk in more details about every type of them. Here are some examples as what you see from the left. This obsidian and granite, they are very famous. We will see how they are different also. Metamorphic rocks. The knees in the middle also is famous. The marble comes from the metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rocks. The one in the middle, sandstone. This is very known also in the desert. It can be seen. Also the rock salt that is made from the halite. Dolomite down. This is the very, very typical rocks that we can see more than the other rocks. Sedimentary rocks, we can see them, I think, more than the metamorphic and the igneous. Okay.